So let's talk. I tried to go live. It didn't work. And what's happening is my computer is just in a complete restart loop. I would restart my computer. I would restart the browser. It was fine. It was fine. It was fine. It was not fine. It was going to be funny. It was going to be funny. Now it's not really funny at all. I may have to change machines. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is so frustrating. Like, I'm so unbelievably frustrated. Now, what you're about to see is a really fun, interesting compilation of all of the technical difficulties. Thanks for watching. Thank you for showing support. Please consider subscribing. We do create a lot of content here, and I really am trying to get this YouTube up and running. And going live every week and getting crap outs like this is just part of it, I guess. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And here is whatever this is.
Hi, welcome to the live stream, everybody. I hope you seriously enjoy it. We are live on Instagram. 200, 300 people almost live on Instagram. Hi, everyone. If you want to watch me react to bad life hacks, please come join us on YouTube, youtube.com/sidneyraz. You're going to have this view for 2 hours. And don't get me wrong, I love this view, but you might want to see the other view. This life may have technical issues because my Chrome browser is, as they say, acting up. See? And now, amazing. Look at that. Issue number 1. Incredible. Chrome is acting up, so I might have to exit and re-enter in a different browser. What are we reacting to today? Today we are recording. That's right. We are recording and reacting to bad life hacks. Life hacks that are just not good. Okay? There's a lot of life hacks out there. There's a lot of ways that you can think about it. And I've been in the life hack game a long time. There we go. See? Try again, an error occurred, but it's not our fault. Oh. Hey! Told you. I told you, dude. This recording is gonna be wild. We're gonna have, so you know what? We're gonna have some technical difficulties today because of reasons. All right. Reload. Oh. We're gonna. So how many technical issues are we gonna have today? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? You know what I love about this though? We're still going live, even if I'm not live. All right. Can we throw Vanessa Marbles up onto the screen because I just want to say shout out Vanessa. Always here in the live streams. Thank you so much for being here. You are incredible. So thank you so much for being here. Hey, thank you for saying that YouTube is better. If you're watching on Instagram, come hang out on YouTube, youtube.com/sidneyraz. Today, we're going to be going over terrible life hacks. Hey, you know what? Just for fun, let's do a clap sync. Oh my gosh. Clap sync, everyone. I just realized for the last 6 weeks, I have not been giving my buddy Andrew, the editor of this very show, a clap sync, and I just did. It's gonna be a technically difficult for me, beautiful day for him day. Okay, but starting out, I just want to say hello to everyone again. New York, England, Alaska, Africa, South Africa. We got a South Africa in the house right now. Germany. Ho-ho. Don't worry, technical difficulty. You guys don't ever have technical difficulties, but I sure do. Bing bong, baby. That's 5. That's 4, that's 5. Technical difficulty counter from this view is no technical difficulties. Technical difficulty counter from here, 4. Can we put a counter up actually in one of the banners? Can we get a banner in the yeah, technical difficulty counter. We're always having new adventures. Okay, every single week. The wonderful Vanessa in here has been in here every single week, I think. One of those weeks, Susan's really held down the fort of showing support. Oh, yeah. Now I don't have any camera. Yes, baby. Hang on a second. Oh, so that's another technical. That's a counter. Whatever Chrome is doing, it's just going rogue. It's clicking things. It's reloading things. We are in it to win it, baby. So as I was saying before, the technical difficulty counter went up was fucking
6. That's 6 technical difficulties.
6 technical difficulties back to back. Man, this is good. Honorary Susan, yes. Hello, Vanessa. What I was saying was Susans were really holding down the fort, showing their support in the live stream by helping me out, throwing in super chats, throwing in supports for the live stream. So thank you so much for that. If you do want to show me support in the live stream, you can on Instagram, but you can also show support on YouTube by throwing in a super chat. Thank you so much for that. I really, really, really appreciate it. Let's start out with this. Let's start out with a little listicle of bad
life hacks. 7. 7. 7.
Feels pretty good. This is good. I really like it that we got to counter. All of the people in chat right now are counting. Oh my God. You know, I was going to try to get as many steps as possible today on my new walking pad that I got while on live. And I think this is actually better. Counting the technical difficulties. I'm loving this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. You know? All right. I said there would be like 10, so I think there might be more like 30. A technical difficulty live stream. That's what we're doing. No, we're reacting to bad life hacks. That's what I actually want to do. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to pop an incognito window, and then I'm going to present it. And then once I do that, we're going to look over these.
Oh, the whole device just shut off now. The whole device just shut off, y'all. All of it. So my computer just doesn't, I thought this was going to be different. It isn't. So you're literally, here's the crazy part, Instagram. You're the one that's actually good. My computer, not so much. Isn't that crazy? So thank you so much for watching this live stream. I really appreciate it. Anyone that was watching on YouTube, thanks. Thank you for showing the support. Thank you so much. Oh boy. Anyway, how are y'all? I'm just waiting for my computer to restart.
One eternity later.
Okay.
That was a long one. You know why? Because my computer keeps crapping out. It's literally shutting down. We're back. We're back live. So this is going to be more fun than I thought. This is going to be one of those like, hey, can we even get through it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give y'all as many life hack responses as possible and just say absolutely fuck it to what I had planned.
Yes! Y'all, I don't think I can go live today. Which is not good for my content calendar. BTW. It's stuck in a restart loop. Yes, exactly. It's stuck in a restart loop, and that must be a kernel issue, which is annoying.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Dang. So, I have no idea how long this is going to last, but I love you all. I feel like I'm talking from the other side right now. It's been real. This is a crazy, crazy live stream, y'all. I'm so sorry. Greatest live stream of all time. I agree. But I think we're going to have to end the live stream right now. Because, you know why? Because my computer just hates me right now. Okay? And we're not gonna do this the whole time. Because at any moment, it could crap out. So we got up to what, like 10 craps? 10 craps? Was that it? Then we got up to 10 craps?
Yeah, 10. Oh, God. That's it. It just restarted again. Look at that. Great content. Excellent content. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Excellent content. What is happening? Hey, I hope that was good. I have no idea what you just watched, but thank you again for watching. Please consider subscribing and showing support. The bigger this channel gets, hopefully the less technical difficulties we'll have, or the more resources I'll have to at least stay live if this happens again. So, subscribe for more videos every single day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Talk soon. What was that?